Let's talk about making your crypto work for you. Welcome to the world of crypto lending, where your digital assets can do more than just sit in your wallet. Instead of letting your Bitcoin or Ethereum sit idle, you can lend it out through specialized platforms and earn interest, often much higher than what you'd get from a traditional savings account at a bank. These platforms are designed to help you put your crypto to work, turning your digital coins into a source of income. Crypto lending platforms act as a bridge, connecting lenders like you with borrowers who need digital assets for trading, investing, or other purposes. The platform takes care of all the technical details, so you don't have to worry about tracking down borrowers or managing repayments yourself. All you need to do is deposit your crypto into the platform. From there, the platform manages the loans, matches you with borrowers, and ensures you receive regular interest payments, sometimes daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on the service. This means you can earn passive income while still holding onto your crypto, allowing you to benefit from both the interest payments and any potential long-term price appreciation. But it's important to remember that crypto lending isn't risk-free. Platforms can fail, get hacked, or face liquidity issues, and the crypto market itself is famously volatile. There's always a chance you could lose some or all of your funds. Still, crypto lending has become a major part of the decentralized finance, or DeFi, ecosystem. It offers new opportunities for everyday investors to participate in the financial system in ways that weren't possible before. Understanding how these platforms work, the risks involved, and the strategies for maximizing your returns is essential if you want to make the most of your crypto's potential in this rapidly evolving space. So, how do you actually start earning interest on your crypto? The process is surprisingly accessible, even if you're new to the world of digital assets. With just a few steps, you can transform your idle crypto holdings into a source of steady, passive income. First, pick a reputable lending platform and create an account, just like you would with any other financial app. Make sure to do your research and choose a platform with strong security features and a good track record, as your fund's safety is crucial. Next, deposit your chosen crypto, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stablecoins like USDC. Many platforms support a variety of coins, so you can diversify your holdings and maximize your earning potential. Stablecoins are especially popular for lending because their value doesn't swing wildly with the market. This stability makes them a favorite for those who want predictable returns without the stress of price volatility. Once your crypto is deposited, it's pooled together with other users' funds and lent out to borrowers. These borrowers must put up more collateral than they borrow, which helps protect your investment from risk. If the value of their collateral drops too much, the platform can automatically liquidate it to ensure lenders like you don't lose money. This system helps keep your funds secure, even in volatile markets. Interest rates, known as APYs, fluctuate based on supply and demand for each coin. Your earnings are often paid out and compounded regularly, so your balance can grow faster over time, especially if you leave your funds in the platform. The entire process is automated, meaning you can earn passive income with minimal effort. You don't have to actively manage your investments, just set it up and let the platform do the work. It's a straightforward and effective way to turn your crypto into a cash-flowing asset, helping you make the most of your digital investments while you focus on other things. Earning high returns sounds great, but what about the risks? Risk-adjusted return means weighing potential rewards against the chances of losing money. A flashy 20% APY might mean much higher risk. Maybe the platform is new or lending to risky borrowers. Sometimes a stable 5% from a reputable platform is actually a better deal. Always ask, what's the catch? Before chasing high yields. Check the platform's security, transparency, and track record. The goal isn't the highest return, but the best return for a risk level you're comfortable with. Let's take a closer look at some of the most popular crypto lending platforms and see how they stack up against each other. With so many options available, it's important to understand the key differences before you decide where to lend your crypto. Aave is a leading DeFi protocol, fully decentralized, with no central authority overseeing your funds. This means you have full control, but also full responsibility. If something goes wrong, like a technical glitch or a hack, there's no customer support to call for help. Returns on Aave are variable and depend on market demand, so your interest rates can change frequently. The main risk here is technical. Smart contract bugs or vulnerabilities could put your funds at risk. and these issues can be hard to predict or prevent. Centralized platforms like Nexo operate more like traditional banks. They offer fixed interest rates, customer support, and a more familiar user experience. However, you must trust the company's management, security practices, and their ability to safeguard your assets. If a centralized platform fails or becomes insolvent, your funds could be lost, as we saw with the high-profile collapses of BlockFi and Celsius. In these cases, users had little recourse to recover their assets. DeFi platforms offer transparency and direct control over your assets, since all transactions are recorded on the blockchain. But with this freedom comes the need to understand the technology and manage your own security. CeFi, or centralized finance, is generally more user-friendly and approachable for beginners. However, you're exposed to risks, like company mismanagement, regulatory changes, or even fraud. Always take the time to research how each platform operates, what security measures they have in place, and what risks you're taking on. Look for independent audits, transparency reports, and user reviews. Don't be blinded by high interest rates. Platform stability, reputation, and security matter far more in the long run than just chasing the highest yield. Ultimately, choose platforms that match your personal risk tolerance, experience level, and investment goals. Take your time, compare your options, and make informed decisions to protect your crypto assets. Crypto lending isn't all upside. There are serious risks. Platform collapse is the biggest. If a platform goes bankrupt, you could lose your crypto. Hacks are another threat. Both DeFi and CeFi platforms are targets for cyber attacks. Market crashes can cause collateral to lose value too quickly, leading to losses for lenders. Regulatory changes could shut down platforms overnight, forcing you to withdraw at a bad time. Always remember, this is a new evolving space, and the rules can change fast. How do you lend crypto safely? Diversify. Never put all your funds on one platform, no matter how good the rates look. Research each platform's security, transparency, and history. Don't just chase high APYs. Lending stablecoins can reduce price risk, making your returns more predictable. Start small and only lend what you can afford to lose. Treat crypto lending as a high-risk, high-reward part of your portfolio. Monitor your platforms and adjust as you learn. With caution and smart strategy, you can earn passive income while managing your risk.